Yeah, my brand new Cobra wheels. We're going down, here we go, let's see it.
Oh my god.
Down.
Woo!
It's a beautiful day. We got the Ranger out. And we got a special video for today. So we got my Ranger wheels, they're 33s, and the bolt pattern is 5x4.5. And guess what other wheels are 5x4.5? Yeah, my brand new Cobra wheels. So we're gonna throw these Cobra wheels on the Ranger today. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so ridiculous. A little update on the Ranger bed, also the camper that I made. Just packed away for a little bit, so I definitely plan on doing some camping videos real soon. I gotta find somewhere to camp. All the campgrounds are closed for the season. Stay tuned, a lot of cool stuff is coming up on this thing. I don't think I can catch it.
It's gonna stick to my finger a little bit.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh,
That was a terrible throw. Ah! What was that? Come on. Are you serious? You piece of crap! Ah! Let's go!
First try, what?
Dude, that hurts so bad. First try.
My fingers with it.
Big tire. This is what's going on. Big size difference. Oh my god.
That's insane.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It looks ridiculous. It looks so ridiculous. I really hope I don't break anything. Alright, let's do the other side. We're gonna tighten this one on, and then we're gonna lower this down, and then I'm gonna go to the front. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it with this jack. I'm gonna try to lower it down and see if it doesn't crush the jack on that diff.
Oh. It's gonna go?
Those wheels are so flat.
So ugly.
It looks terrible. Oh my gosh. Ew.
That's like 3 feet. That looks so bad.
Yeah, I gotta put some air in those really quick. Alright, let's move to the front.
Do you mind if I eat lunch later? I've been filming for a few hours now.
Stupid questions, right?
My last boss would let me take lunch.
You're not getting lunch.
If I work hard, I can get lunch though.
Where'd you hear that?
I'm calling the FCC.
I gotta take this. Hey.
Hey, how's it looking?
We are on the wheels on the front are up, and we just gotta swap the new ones on, put them on, and then we're ready.
You don't have to do that every time you take a wheel off.
I do. Mandatory. Oh god! This thing's teeter-tottering.
Oh.
Hope it doesn't fall on one side. Here, oh my god.
Holy crap.
It's like teeter-tottering really bad.
That thing really might tip.
Oh.
It's coming off?
I'm kinda scared. Oh! Is it going down?
Well, hurry up and get that wheel on.
Alright.
I'm not gonna film it.
If it falls, I want it on video. Oh look, my filmer's here. Excellent.
Hey Frank, what's going on? Holy crap!
Did you order a pizza? No, I did, so give me my pizza.
Interrupting this episode really quick to make an announcement. You guys are definitely want to stick to the end because we got our first like challenge coming up and you guys are definitely going to want to participate. I'm going to need all the support and all the help, so stick around to the end and let's get back into the video. Alright, we're going down. Here we go. Let's see it.
Oh my god.
Down. That's it.
Yeah, that looks like crap.
Yeah. One of the greatest temptations I'm facing right now is getting lazy with my style and saying I ain't appreciating Mike's down. I serve too small a market, I need a larger target. You know, a broader audience who spend the dollars on this. And as of right now, this temptation for making some crazy statements, complaining, but I know how pride sounds. I'm everybody's favorite, maybe one of the greatest. The peak of every playlist. You'd be a lame to hate this, but the truth is it's foolish to say this. So please bear with my foolishness, cause I've concluded it's stupid to fake it. I Google my name too much, think that my fame is just, but still it ain't enough. I need to make some bucks, but not in the greedy sense. I just wanna appease the IRS and pay off our debts. I don't need to be rich, I'm fighting to be a man, dying to lead the fam, trying to please the fans, writing to feed the lambs, but I feel the pressure to dumb it down. I'm from the underground, but to sell I gotta come with that southern sound. And be fake as a toupee, got me feeling like Lupe. This is not how I do things, I just gotta be true, man, cause I don't do this for the fickle masses. I do this for God, myself, and anyone else who can see the talent. So if you dig it, cool. If you ain't with it, cool. It wasn't meant for you, it's for the kids who do. And I know that I can be an elitist, cause I'm a backpacker, the mad rapper who is being redeemed. It's still in my DNA. As I kill it, I'm being saved. I'm not willing to be enslaved by opinions of people swayed by the radio or the garbage on it. Call it what you want, I'm an artist. I don't care what the hottest song is. I won't be commercialized to please a shirt and tie.
Alright, that's enough of that nonsense for one day. Maybe I'll keep it. Pretty sick setup. It looks so bad. I know there's some guys that probably run their trucks like this, but it's not my style at all. Majority of any car guy's style is probably not this. I asked the guy at Pep Boys that I'm gonna get these I gotta get them like rebeaded. Some of them got a slow leak, as you can see right here. It's already like almost flat. I was driving with it like pretty much flat towards the end of the shoot. I asked the guy at the local Pep Boys, I was like, what do you think about my new wheel setup? He's like, they're a little small. We both laughed about it, but I was like, no, these are going on my Mustang. So swap these wheels back over and show you guys what it should look like. I mean, for this particular vehicle. I tried so hard not to offend anybody. Alright guys, all the wheels are back on their rightful homes. She's looking back to how she should. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was definitely interesting to see this thing on these tiny wheels. Let me know what you guys thought of that. That was definitely a different one, but I've been seeing a bunch of different guys. You know, I'm on no level of street speed or whistling diesel, but I've been seeing those guys non-stop doing this crazy stuff. So I wanted to try it out, see what all the hype was about, and it's pretty fun. I understand why these guys do it. It's a lot of fun. So I got them back on the Ranger. I got an idea. If you guys can get this video to 100 likes, we're gonna put the 33s onto the ST. So smash the like button, destroy the like button, whatever you want to call it. I never really like those phrases, but guys, seriously, hit the like button. I want to put these on that. No. So if you guys want to see these Ranger wheels go on the little race car, hit that like button. Let's this is our first like challenge, so we'll see if we can crush it. Let's see if the Simple Builds gang is strong enough to hit that 100 likes so we can get these Ranger wheels on the ST. It's gonna be expensive. I'm gonna need some support. All right? I'm gonna need some help. So let me know if you guys want to see that. I know nobody's done it before. I've never seen it done anywhere because it's really hard. It's gonna be difficult. And did I say it's gonna be expensive? Because it's gonna be expensive. I mean, easily. You know how expensive these spacers are, and I'm gonna need at least probably like I don't know. It's going to be crazy. I'm going to need a lot of spacers. I'm going to need a wheel adapter. So these are 5x114, I think it is. 5x114.5. And these are 4x108. So we're going to need some serious adapters, some big time spacers. But man, that'll be so worth it. That'll be such a fun video. If you guys want to see that happen, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see that. Tons of different content coming out. We got all kinds of stuff. We're wrapping up the Mustang pretty soon. And you guys are definitely going to want to see how that turns out. I'm super stoked. Hope you guys are excited. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy out there. Hope your families are well. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya. Just found a stranger off the side of the road. I just wanted to ask what you think of my Ranger with the new wheel setup. I think it looks really sick. What do you think?
Ranger?
Yeah, the Ranger. Yeah, that right there, the truck. What do you think about it?
If you need money, just, you know, just